As you saw, we have gotten to this screen, which is where you're ready to start publishing and editing. So you're going to go ahead, it's going to directly take you to the screen, and you're going to go ahead and actually name your video. So we can go ahead and name this Technology Toolbox YouTube Help. Okay? Then you're going to come over here. You can decide whether you want to make it public, unlisted, or private. The difference between public, unlisted, and private is public, anybody can see it. All they'd have to do is search for it. Unlisted, anybody that you share the specific YouTube link to can open it. And private, only you can view it. I would say you're probably going to work in between public and unlisted depending on where you're trying to share it. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and put it on public. Then you're going to go ahead and hit publish. Once you've published it, you can next go to what's called advanced settings, where you can see some other things that you can do in terms of giving it a category, other things like that. It's not really necessary to come in here. Next, we're going to go back to the upload button and we're going to click on it. And we're going to come down here to video editor. And you're going to click on edit. In the video editor, you'll see any video that you've currently made will be offered here for you to drag down and start editing. So I'm going to go here to our YouTube how-to. And this one is the one I just made with the YouTube how to make a video. So it's in here right now. Should I have already signed? Okay, so it's paused at this point in time. If you want to make any filters to it, like if you think that there needs to be a fix to the way the color looks, the brightness, the contrast, it's going to automatically bring you to this screen. Anytime you want to do something directly to the video you're working on, you're going to click at the beginning. And it brings you back here where you can add closed captioning or text. You can add a photo. You can add music. They actually give you a selection to choose from where it'll play background music based on whatever's going on. It gives you an option to do a fade in, and it also gives you an option to add a title where this is the first screen. And once you've chosen what you'd want to do, you would then once again drag them down here. As you can see, if you are going to add audio, you add it down here so it plays at the same time that your video is playing. So at this point in time, once you've done that, you can give it a title and you hit create video and you have a brand new video all over again. So we can, let's say, add a title. Okay, so I've moved it to the front and we're going to go ahead and we're going to edit it here and we're just going to say YouTube help. You can decide the size of the text, how it's going to look, the color of the text, if it's the font of the text, all of that, as well as the background color of the screen. You know, if we wanted to make it red, it would then change it to red. So you can do all that stuff. Then once you're done, you're going to come back here and you're going to hit play. And as you can see, it fades in. And then there we go. It starts it. So once that's done, we'll go ahead and we'll say how to edit a YouTube video is what we're going to name this. And I'm going to hit create video. And here it tells me that it's processing my changes. Up at the top, you'll see this big yellow bar. It here will eventually start to give you a countdown or how far along the percentage is until it will be officially processed. So while you're waiting, once again, you go back down here to your My Channel. You can go into your Video Manager, which is up here. And this is where you'll see it once it's ready. So you can keep clicking on this to see how long it takes. But that's basically your wait. Normally it will pop up with the actual video displayed in this screen, and that's when you'll know it'll be ready. And then at that point in time, you're done and you can share it however you want. So at this point in time, I'm going to let you all take the next 5 or 10 minutes to go ahead and explore and create.